This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. Just steps from Woo, this income property has a total of 6 one-bedroom, one-bath apartments, each with large living areas that are open to a full kitchen, very nicely finished, and all with laundry. Rents range from $650 to $620 a month for each unit. Tenants pay most all utilities, a few include water by landlord. 2 3-bedroom, 2-bath houses are also on the property and are included in this package. Currently one is leased at $700 a month ending May 2022. For more information, review the details below.